How to use a Visa gift card on Brawl Stars. The first things first is you'll have to access Brawl Stars, and before you access it, make sure that you are currently running with the latest version of the application. Just head over to your Google Play Store and update it. Now, next thing to do is access the app and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now, there are many ways of using your Visa gift card on Brawl Stars. The first thing is can go ahead and purchase any skins using the gift card that you have. Just simply head over to the shop, and before doing this, make sure that you have sufficient amount of the fund that you have from the gift card so that you will not encounter any error messages. So you can purchase any skins or even a Brawl Pass, one of these special offers that they're offering directly from Brawl Star. What you can do is just, for example, you would like to get the Brawl Pass. Let's choose on this one. Now in here, you just have to change the payment method, and you'll just have to input the card numbers or the credentials that you have from your Visa gift card so that you should be able to use it. And that's it. That's how you use a Visa gift card on Brawl Stars.